somebody else's auto. It is Friday morning. We are out at the yard. Rocky Mountain Race Week is here. They are coming through. We are the last checkpoint on today's route. Tons of awesome race cars coming through here. Let's walk this way. We've got some of them parked down here. We are serving hot dogs and water to all the race contestants. And so they're stopping, grabbing something to cool off. They want something to eat. We got hot dogs and chips for them out here. Super exciting day. Some really awesome stuff coming in. Pulling in. Some of them are just taking their picture to prove they were here. Some of them are stopping for a minute, grabbing something to eat. Wanted to do it upright, wanted to make it a good time for these guys. Great group of people, some of the best people you'd ever meet. Check out the International here, LS Powered 4-wheel drive International on the route, making the trip, driving about 1,400 miles on this week, racing at every track. You have to run at every track. They started at Bandimere. 5 different stops, 4 different racetracks throughout the week. You race what you drive. You've got to make a hit, at least one at every track. You've got to turn the time slip in at every track. If you break it at the track, you fix it at the track. If you break it on the road, you fix it on the road. You have to keep driving what you're racing. Check out the little S10 we got here, pulling a trailer with their spare parts and extras in it. Got their slicks mounted on top, got the streetcar tires on it right now. Let's get out of the way. We got a good looking fair lane coming through right now. Looking under the hood of this S10. I don't think S10s came with turbos like that, but this one's got one. And they're driving it. Driving down the highway, rolling down the road, slicks mounted on top of the trailer, ready to roll. Check out this love. Not exactly their stock love. One thing I know Chevy Loves did not come with was a parachute. But this one needs one. And it can also bring you a pizza too. But that's the great thing about this. It's a fun trip. Everybody's here to have a good time and have fun. Definitely not a stock setup in this love. Obviously didn't even fit, but they made it work. So super cool setup there. Last one we got in this road. They're coming in and out. They're coming in at different times as they work their way down the route. Second gen F-body Camaro. Once again, he doesn't have a trailer. He just has a tray mounted on his hitch for his slicks. Puts the street tires on. You roll down the road. That's how this whole deal works. You drive what you're racing, you break it, you fix it, you go out to the next track and you race it again. And hopefully you fixed it right and it holds together. But that's the beauty of this thing. That's why it's so much fun. The group of people on this thing is second to none. This is some of the best people in the world you'll ever hang out with. The biggest problem you have is if you break something, you're going to have so many people trying to help you that's the biggest problem you're going to have. There are competitors that may be in your class. The guy that's ahead of you, I've seen the guy in first place take his spare parts out of his trailer and give it to the guy in second place in his class, because that's the object. Everybody make it through the week. Everybody be successful. Yeah, there's going to be a winner in every class, but the main objective is everybody has a successful week and makes it through. So, super cool deal. We're going to bring you some more cool rides as we go. We'll catch a few more here yet today. We've probably had 30 or 40 cars here, but there's over 200 on the race right now. So there's going to be more cool stuff coming in. They're coming in right now, actually. We'll head back up here towards the gate. Looks like we got another fair lane coming in. Paul's here, trailer spares. The SRCA's out here. They're getting the release form signed out here before they head to the track. So, great time, having a blast out here. Great group of people, awesome event. Matt Frost puts on a deal second to none. Check him out at Rocky Mountain Race Week. You can check him out at RockyMountainRaceWeek.com, RMRWers on Facebook, and keep up with what's going on. Track goes hot tonight at 4 o'clock in Great Bend, Kansas, the SRCA drag strip. Be sure to check that out. Check out the live feed on bankshift.com, and we will see you soon. We'll bring you some more videos coming up soon. Thanks for watching, everybody.